Hey guys, so today we're going to be making a nice Connect space shuttle. So let's start. First things first, you're going to build the base. So you're going to get this. So here it is. There's the base, and then after that, what you're going to do on the back here, you're going to get that. Like so. And after you do that, you're going to be placing that there. After you do that, you're going to there we go. After that, you're going to be placing this. Here it is. You're going to be doing that. And on this side, so here it is. Here's the finished thing. As you guys can see, it's a very simple space shuttle. It's very small and pretty easy to build. And if you guys enjoyed this, just make sure to check out my channel, as I make other stuff like this, like planes, helicopters, fighter jets, or other space stuff. So yeah, here's a 360 view. And yeah, I hope you guys like it. Subscribe to my videos. Bye guys.